my dear students, this is Mrs. Shaymal Gharib and today's lesson about multiplying and dividing negative integers. Some rules before we watch any video. You have to sit in a quiet place. You should have your pen and a piece of paper to take notes and to solve questions. You should pause the video after each question, then you try to answer on your own. Then you play the video to check your answer and to understand the question in case you get a wrong answer. Are you ready now? Let's start our lesson. Multiplying a negative number by another negative number. When we multiply two negative numbers, the product must be positive. Example, if I have -3 times -4, both numbers are negative numbers, so the answer will be positive. 3 times 4 equals 12, so the answer will be 12. It's same as 3 times 4. -5 times -7, both are negative numbers, so the answer will be positive. 5 times 7 equals 35, so it will be 35. -8 times -1, both are negative numbers, so the answer will be positive, which is 8. Now, let's try multiplying a negative number by a positive number. When we multiply a negative number by a positive number, the product must be negative. Let's see. Negative times positive gives negative. Examples. -3 times 4. Negative number times a positive number, so we said the answer will be negative. So the answer here will be -12. 5 times -7. The order doesn't matter. If I have any of the numbers is positive and the other one is negative, so the answer will be always negative. So 5 times 7, 35, and the answer will be -35. 8 times -1 will be -8. Okay? Now, let's try dividing a negative number by another negative number. When we divide two negative numbers, the quotient must be positive. Do you remember in multiplication? When we multiply two negative, the answer is positive. When we divide two negative numbers, the answer is positive. Let's see examples. -33 divided by -3. Negative divided by negative equals positive number, so the answer will be positive 11. One more example. -45 divided by -9. Negative divided by negative equals positive, so the answer will be 5. -68 divided by -4, so the answer will be positive. When we divide by 4, let me remind you of a simple rule by using halving the number twice. So half of 68 is 34. Half of 34 is, yes, 17. Now, let's see. Dividing a negative number by a positive number. When we divide a negative number by a positive number, the quotient must be negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Let's see examples. -32 divided by 4. So we said the answer will be negative. 32 divided by 4 equals, yes, 8. So the answer will be -8. Now, 50 divided by -5. The answer will be -10. Next, 68 divided by -1. Positive divided by negative equals, yes, negative. So the answer will be -68. Now, let's have some practice. Look at this example here. It has 3 numbers. What are we going to do in such example? we're gonna follow the same rules in order. Let's see how. 5 times negative 2. I will stop here. 5 times negative 2 equals positive times negative equals negative, right? So the answer will be negative 10. So far, it's negative 10. So if this part is negative 10, negative 10 times 2, so I have a negative number, which is negative 10, times a positive number, which is 2. So the answer will be negative. Right? Now I will show you all the examples and I want you to do it by your own, same way. As we said here, it's negative 20. Now, let's go to the next example. Negative 2 times negative 3, negative times negative gives positive. Then positive times the negative gives negative. So the answer here will be negative. Let's check which number. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. So the answer will be negative 18. This one, negative times the negative equals positive. Times the negative equals negative. Times the negative equals positive. So the final answer will be positive. What about the number? 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 2 is 36. So it will be positive 36. The last one, negative 2 times negative 7 times 2. Negative times negative equals positive. So positive times positive is positive. So the answer will be a positive number, which is 2 times 7, 14. 14 times 2, 28. What do you notice here? Can you notice anything about the sign every time? We can say that if there is an even number of negative integers, the answer will be positive. So let's see. How many negative numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 negative numbers multiplied by each other, and number 4 is an even number. So the answer must be positive. Another example here, I have only 2 negative numbers and number 2 is an even number. So the answer will be positive. What else? We can say that if there is an odd number of negative integers, the answer will be negative. So in this example, there is only one negative number. And number 1 is an odd number, so the answer will be negative. In the second example, there are 3 negative numbers, and number 3 is an odd number. That's why the answer is negative. Is this clear now? Okay, let's sum up. What did we learn today? We said negative times negative gives positive. Negative times positive gives negative. Positive times negative gives negative. And negative divided by a negative number equals positive number. Negative divided by positive equals negative. And positive divided by negative equals negative. What else? We also said if there is an even number of negative integers, the answer will be positive. And if there is an odd number of negative integers, the answer will be negative. Now, questions time. Are you ready? Let's start. The first example, negative 3 times negative 6. I will show you all the examples and I want all of you to do it by your own. Then you check your answer with the video. The first one, negative 3 times negative 6. So the answer will be positive 18. Negative divided by a positive, the answer will be negative 9. Positive times negative, the answer will be negative 63. Negative divided by negative, the answer will be positive 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Negative 8 times 6, the answer will be negative 48. Positive divided by negative, the answer will be negative 16. Here, negative 7 times negative 6, so the answer will be positive 42. Negative 75 divided by 3, the answer will be negative because negative divided by positive equals negative, so it will be negative 25. 3 times negative 8, so the answer here will be negative 24. Negative 39 divided by negative 3, so the answer will be positive 13. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 times 4 equals negative 28. 100 divided by negative 5, the answer will be negative 20. Is this clear now? Let's see more practice when I have more than two numbers. The first one, negative 3 times negative 6 times 2. You remember what did we say? When we have an even number of negative integers, the answer will be positive. I only have two negative numbers, so negative times negative gives me positive. Positive times positive is positive, so I can tell the answer will be positive. Okay, the number is 3 times 6, 18. 18 times 2 is 36. Here, I only have one negative number, which means the answer will be negative. 9 times 2, 18 times 2, 36. So it will be negative 36. Negative 2, negative 6, and negative 3. 3 negative numbers. So the answer will be negative. What about the number? 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 3, 36. So it will be negative 36 as well. Here, I have also 3 negative numbers. So the answer will be negative. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 times 2 equals 80. So the answer will be negative 80. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. See you next video, and please remember that your feedback is highly appreciated. Thank you very much and see you soon.